To start, have 1 cup of water followed by a small amount of white paint. Stir the contents with a glass rod and pour it into a 500 milliliter Florence flask. A jar would also work as well. Now add baby oil until it is about 3/4 full in volume capacity. To make it colorful, add a few drops of blue food coloring, followed by some silver glitter to the flask. Now add a bag of Alka-Seltzer tablets and break them into smaller pieces. And what arises is the fact that since the tablets contain both citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, when dissolved in water, lots of carbon dioxide gas arises, as evident by the rise of the white paint in the blue water with glitter moving throughout the process, and eventually the white paint falls back to the bottom of the flask. This process is repeated until no more gas evolves.